Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2014 Chevy Silverado LT. This vehicle does have the deep ruby metallic exterior color with the 4.3 liter. It does have the jet black cloth interior seating, and it does have 6 passengers when you fold the middle console up. You do have your radio controls right up here. You have a rear vision camera, which is right there. You do have a CD player right down here. Heat and AC controls are right here. You do have power adjusting pedals right there. The button for that is right here, so you can move them in or back up. Traction control, cargo light, and park assist. If we take a look on the outside, like I did say, it is the deep ruby. It does have running boards right there. This vehicle does have a soft tonneau cover. And it does have mud flaps right down there on the front and the rear. For the park assist, it has rear park assist, so as you're backing up, if you're getting close to something, it will beep and alert you that you're getting too close. There is no bed liner in this vehicle. If we take a look in the back seat, this is what the back seat looks like. The seats do fold up, and you can fold them back down. And then you do have 2 cup holders right here. That is all I have on this Silverado. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.